Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Aiden. I'm from ASTOTT Overland. I'm gonna bring you guys along for the journey and explain my trip that I recently did. It was a 7,500 mile road trip. I wasn't quite sure what I was getting myself into. It turned into this huge trip where I started in Phoenix, went through California, through Oregon, up into Washington, and obviously due to COVID, the borders were still closed, so we headed east towards Glacier National Park, and we started making our way south. We would find trails, and most of the time you're flying blind, but it really can be rewarding. Some of the sights I would never have imagined. There was quite a few challenges on the trip. Towing a trailer was new to me. It seems like a great idea in the Jeep, but when you have a trailer behind you, things are different. There's a lot of prep work that went into a trip like this. I probably planned it for around 6 months. We did so many things to the Jeep that I'm super thankful that I did. Putting a fridge in, a dual battery system, it's just an endless list of things you could do. And we went 2-3 days without seeing a town or people. And you know, I have a long range tank installed in the Jeep from Long Range America. It's an extra 12.5 gallons. At the flick of a switch, we just had that extra 200 miles of range, which was awesome. And it just gives you that peace of mind that you don't have to worry about running out of gas. I think going forward, I've got this itch that I just want to go on more of these trips. Life on the road is definitely challenging, but there's something about it going to these unknown places. I'm just trying to plan the next one. I just want to go again.